Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create a report on that. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in Power BI and DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay, so just click on fields. Now you can see that customer, dim date, geography, product, category, subcategory, sales territory, and internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. For that, so click on model. So collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have designed the relationship between the tables. So for example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this key I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and of internet sales. So even you can see that the direction is like a one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to the fact table. So like that I have established the relationship for the other tables also. So we'll try to speak more in upcoming sessions about how to manually create the relationship or how to detect automatically. So we'll see all kind of options that are available for relationship. Okay, so for today's purpose we'll try to focus on today's report only. Just click on report. So now you can see that, so here different visuals. So this is the matrix, this is the these are the card visuals and all. Okay, so this is the slicer. So I'll try to explain each and every step. So basically here, so I'm just calculating the total sales and the max sales. This is the minimum sales, this is the transaction count. So how many transaction has happened in the fact table. This is the average sales. So I have used one slicer that is called category. So based on that we can slice dice the data based on this selection and all. Okay, and also this is the year wise. So this is the region wise sales amount, this is the date wise the total sales, and this is the year and product wise what is the percentage of sales. Okay, and this is the month wise sales. Okay, for example if I click on here, so we can see that each region wise I'm just able to see the top 5 product names each region wise. So each region wise, so now we can see that, so it's changing the product names because we have enabled custom tooltip. It's like working as each region wise it is going to display the what are the top 5 product names. Even we can change the slicing also, so based on that it will work. Even you can slice, it will work. Okay, so like that. Even for example if I click on here, so automatically we can see that, so each month wise what is the total sales, but highlighted sales out of total sales, this is the sales for the Australia. Okay, in this month, for example if I place the mouse on here we can see that in Australia, so what is the total sales, 1869440, but for the respected country selection this is the sales amount 49800. Okay, likewise we can see, we can click on, so automatically everything is changing, so dynamically. Even if you want to, we can go for the focus mode also. For example if you want to detail information, so you want to see, so you can check it here. So each year wise product with respect to the what is the percentage of contribution. For example, in 2001, this is the sales amount. So each product wise, what is the contribution in 2001 sales? Okay, this is the 4% in this product. So these four products are doing well, so remaining products average. So like that, so we can understand the data and make a decisions based on these numbers, which product is doing in which year. So like that, easily we can analyze the data. See, so based on that, we can represent the symbolic. So if the percentage is more, means different color, and also different symbol, like that. Okay, even you can click on any one, focus more. Now you can see that each year wise, each region wise, which products are doing well. So, and what is the product name, easily you can understand. Here also focus more if you want. Okay, so each month wise, what is the sales amount, May month, June month, like that. Even if you want to date wise the total sales, you can see that date wise. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.